I've gotten into hiking recently.
Wait, what?
Yeah, over there is a gigantic mountain that I just hiked in the abyss.
So the last time we talked about being fit, we were driving a Taycan.
Now we're fit with the Macan. Awkward high five. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you click like, comment, and subscribe. Today, we thought we'd have a little bit of fun with the Macan because it's been about 6 months that we've owned it. So we wanted to give it what it owes on camera, a beautiful, scenic drive.
Stick along as you'll enjoy it. Well, hello there. Do you want to win our Miata?
All you have to do is subscribe on YouTube and follow along on Instagram.
We will be giving it away next May, which is our 5-year anniversary. We need 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, and make sure to follow on Instagram.
Good luck!
Jumping in the Porsche in the 6 lane. I'm big fish, I'm big game. Come on, big flame. It's big brain, so I been looking hard, that's dripping. So that has been traded to the 60. I get a dollar, you with me. Now y'all gotta sell kidneys, but that is a shame, it's a pity. The sell to the pep that was shitty, but now you a fam and you wanna hit me. Honestly, dog, I think you are tripping. Follow me now like it's a religion. Hey, you chasing your vision. Hey, you look for additions. Honestly, man, you should've listened. Case goes down, cause I'm on a mission. Come on, big flame. I'm pulling out with a sick chain. Jumping in the Porsche in the 6 lane. I'm big fish, I'm big game. Come on, big flame. I'm pulling out with a sick chain. Jumping in the Porsche in the 6 lane. I'm big fish, I'm big game. Yeah, now they wanna be friends. Man, language switch, y'all are now speaking French. I speak Dutch, yeah, I'm from the Netherlands. I've been on the path, I've been with the raps. Ey, ik ga eraan, ik ga toch naar de maan. Ja, ik ben weer op al die verses. Ik denk terug aan die tijden waar dingen toch echt wel gingen gebeuren. Maar dat is niet waar, het switchte wel echt. Ja, het ging toch naar de beurs. Maar ik dacht dat wij echte vrienden waren, maar de status kwam er toch tussen. Damn. Come on, big flame. I'm pulling out with a sick chain.
What you doing there? Is that who was piloting the drone there?
You wonder why I'm in such good shape. You think that the drone flies itself? Oh my goodness, that was fun. I love this car. These windy roads make this feel every bit of a 911 as a 911.
You know, Dave Ramsey would say to get this over a 911.
Bam! Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm super excited because we are about, we have a couple more videos, but we are about to embark on the Cannonball Rally, which we have talked about for a very long time. And it's all coming to fruition.
We really hope you like this cinematic video, and I'm gonna try to get this mosquito. I think I got it. Have a great day.
High five!
Yeah.